How to create a glitch effect in Davinci Resolve. Let's get into it. The glitch effect is very easy to achieve in Davinci Resolve. First, make sure you are on the edit page. Then add the clip you want to add the glitch to and bring it into the timeline. Now you're going to want to go to the Effects button and click that. Under Toolbox, go into Effects. Find Digital Glitch and add it onto your clip. Boom! There you go. Your footage is now glitchy. If you go into the Inspector tab, you can play around with the setting to achieve your desired effects. You can also do an easy glitch transition as well. Just go into Video Transitions in your Effects tab and find Glitch. Drag that onto the two clips you want to transition between. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you want to learn more about Davinci Resolve, let me know what videos you want to see next in the comments and drop a like if you found this video helpful.